in the Western world, they are a caterpillar of China. Their engines are being used in transport sector. Engines are used in gas power generation in different areas. So they have a joint venture with many European companies like Steyr Austria, MAN Germany, Deutz Germany, for engines, and for CNG conversion from diesel to CNG. In China, there are about 20 buses manufacturers who all are using their engines for the buses. So, in fact, Chinese government is making the and very established in this area. Since they have come to Pakistan, we have introduced them, and Dr. Tahir Tumro already explained the government policy for the transport sector, where you intend to introduce new buses in the public transport. They are the leader in the dedicated CNG engines manufacturing in China.
Dedicated.
Yes.
And what is your capacity?
How
How many buses can you produce on Aruma?
सर ये इंटरप्रेटर हैं, ये चाइनीज में कहते हैं इनको, इनके जो ये दूसरे लाभ आता है वो उसका जवाब देते हैं, फिर ये दोबारा आपको बताएंगे.
他问我们就是我们的生产能力多大，就是生产这个 CNG80，每个月的生产量是多少？你跟刘厂长说一下，刘厂长可以。
就是大约每个月在1000。
So
Dedicated.
也就是全半期的啊，那当然也 dedicate。
比社会车还有达到欧洲标准，有一额外的装的车一个月